These orchids are thriving. It's just cool. They've got these orchids just everywhere around here. Amazing plants. So if any of you are following my Instagram account, then you saw that picture of me at the Dallas Botanical Gardens. A week ago, my oldest daughter and I took a trip to Dallas, Texas, and we saw the Fort Worth Botanical Gardens and the Dallas Botanical Gardens, and I went ahead and filmed it for you guys. So without further ado, let's just get right into the Fort Worth Botanical Gardens. Yeah, let's look at this wall of orchids. Oh. Isn't that nuts? They're epiphytes, so they grow on the detritus in trees and just on rotten logs and branches and things like that. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. This place is amazing. How would you like to have this at our place? Be pretty cool? Just walls of orchids everywhere. Look at that. Look at this little guy. Look at these plants. Look at that. It is so warm and humid in here. That is cool. Do it, Allie. I know you want to do it. There you go. I gotta touch that thing. Yeah. This is just amazing, Allie. Yeah. I'm blown away by this. It's probably, what would you say, 80 degrees in here? 90? Probably 90. And it's humid, and it feels just awesome. These orchids are thriving. It's just cool. They've got these orchids just everywhere around here. Amazing plants. Probably 40 foot high up there. What do you think of this for a house plant? We just had it pointed out to us that this massive mango tree has got 3 little mangoes. Let's zoom in. Look at that, you guys see them? 3 little mangoes growing on it. It's just a beautiful little tropical environment. All right, Allie, say goodbye to the Orchid Conservatory. Did you like that? Yeah. Pretty cool. There's the camel. It's like a giant chia pet. So there's the conservatory up over there, and now we're headed out into the garden area, and I guess it winds down through where those people are walking there, and let's go check it out, Allie. We got a nice little stone path right here. They've got just beautiful flowers everywhere. It's crazy because this is, what is today? April 4th or? The 4th. Today's the 4th of April, and we just came from our home of Western Washington State near Olympia, and it was sleeting and hailing, or we were working on our home build, and down in the 40s and touching the low 30s at night, and cloudy and rainy and nasty. And now here we are, and everything's leafing out in Fort Worth, Texas, and green and lush and flowers. This place is 2 months ahead of Washington State. It's crazy. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Little Japanese maple. I like those green leaf varieties. Everybody goes after the red leaf, but those green leaf are just, they're beautiful. Yep, looks like a robin. Is that, no, a cardinal. It's a cardinal. Good job. Corrected your own dad. Corrected your pops. Bunch of chia pet animals everywhere. Those are begonias all over that.
How are they growing?
They're just growing. I think they're epiphytes too. Isn't it crazy how far ahead this place is from where we're at, where we live?
Yeah.
We got trains over here. This is cowboy country.
Huh?
Hey Jim, here's some honeysuckle for you. Love that stuff growing up on a trellis. Looks like it's nearing the end of its bloom. Man, this place is ahead of us. Hydrangeas for all you hydrangea lovers, isn't it? We won't see hydrangeas like that at our place until June.
August.
No, August, yeah. Just about these days. It's pretty cool at our place right now, and we're kind of behind.
We have to go back. It's a
Are we
dead end.
are we trapping ourselves? All right, we got to go hit this little road up here. The birds are different here too. They sound more tropical than up at our place. Maybe it's just the time of the year and the warmth, but they're different. It's something different here. We're not in Kansas anymore, Allie. Look at all these blooms. Like, we literally won't see this for months at our place. Another little waterfall. You got some koi in there? From a distance, I thought this was a giant hydrangea, but it's a snowball viburnum. Those big puff balls. The trees are so different down here too.
No
It looks
fir
like,
trees.
yeah, all the fir trees at our place, like growing like weeds. These look like, I don't know what these are, oak of some type maybe, or I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is. Humid oak. And they're all leafing out already. Spring has arrived.
I wanna go down in there.
You hear those birds? So tropical feeling. You want to jump in?
Maybe you can. Not jump in, but like go down actually to the. Oh!
What are we looking at? Ooh,
Can we go down in there?
yeah. Let's do it. I think we can.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. You having fun, buddy?
That was really cool.
these neat oak trees here. You excited? A lot of you guys that live in this part of the country where you got all these oaks and all these different deciduous trees, this is probably just like home to you, but to us it's just another world where all this stuff stands. At our place it's just all fir trees, so it's just a completely different scenery for us. I feel like I'm in another land here. I am in another land. So are you, eh?
Turkeys. Turkeys. Hurry, catch him. Oh, hello. You're so cute. Whoa, be careful. Whoa. Why don't they let us into?
I don't know. They just want to preserve the flora in there and not get it tore up, but some nice looking magnolias, aren't they? Southern magnolias. I don't see any blooms yet, unless they already bloomed here. Nope, there's the new buds. Those are some huge magnolias. I don't know if I've ever seen one that big up where we live. Beauty. More green leaf Japanese maples. I love these trees. You know, we got some red leaf coming up over here. That's a beautiful maple. Looks like it's got a lot of time under its belt. Absolutely gorgeous. Is that a blood good? Yep, sure is. That's the same variety we've got planted out in front of our place that I collect seeds from every year. And look what I found for all you fig lovers. Look at that. I don't know the variety, but there is a really cool looking fig tree all leafed out. Man, I'm jealous. My figs won't be leafing out like this for quite a while, months, probably June, July. Look at that, we've already got figs on this thing. God, I just can't compete with this. I cannot compete with this where I'm at. This crane or stork or whatever it is, herring or stork or crane or what is it? Something just flew right over our heads and landed on this roof.
Right over our heads.
Jeez, that was bizarre. They got pterodactyls here. They got this little Japanese section of the garden here, and it's just all manicured in Japanese style with lots of Japanese maples, and there's some formal and informal pruning. It's just a really neat little place. Ponds, they've got huge koi throughout these ponds. Really beautiful place. Absolutely gorgeous. Love all these green leaf Japanese maples, and they're obviously, yeah, it's a green leaf maple. They're so old and established. I mean, I don't know how old these things are, but some of them are 20, 30 feet high. That one right there is probably close to 30 feet high at the top, maybe even a little taller. Pretty crazy. And they're just all green leaf throughout here. I really like the green leaf maples. You don't, well, you do see them, but so many people are into collecting the red leaf and just walk past the subtlety of the green leaf maples, and I think they just add in just a whole sense of freshness to the garden. And you know, they're subtle. I really like that look. It just kind of adds there's some wasps. I see them flying around in there. I don't know what kind of wasps they got in Texas, but
They look so different.
they say everything's bigger in Texas. So we're walking up to this other entrance to the garden, and it didn't even dawn on me at first, but this is all one massive branch coming off of an oak way over there. It's being propped up by a post right here. But look at that. That's where the tree originates. That is amazing.
They have water.
Really cool. In fact, look, it's all the way down on the other side over here. Really neat, man. I wonder if it's rooted itself into the soil there. They've got it tucked down in a little bit. What a neat old tree. So different than what we've got where I'm at. That is really neat. I better go find Allie. There she is. We're going through a bamboo forest now.
We should go this way.
Let's do it. Whichever way you want, buddy. All right, we're back in the Japanese garden. Another bamboo forest. And a dead end. You can tell they're just starting some massive plantings and they're expanding over in this area of the park, and we're just walking by these trees and I was taking a closer look. These are giant ginkgo trees. So it looks like they're gonna be planting these guys out here pretty soon. I love these trees. In the fall, they just turn a brilliant yellow and then litter the ground with beautiful yellow leaves. One of the oldest living species on Earth. All right, there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed our little tour. It is hot and humid. We need to get some water. So say goodbye to the Botanical Gardens in Fort Worth. We had a lot of fun. We saw a lot. It's a beautiful place. Allie already wants to come back. All right, adios. Here we are, Fort Worth Stockyards. What do you think, Allie?
I'm excited.
We're gonna see some longhorns walking through town. We in cowboy country now, girl.
On a good day, you might get $10 a head.
Hey, Allie, what do you think?
They're awesome.
Look at them. That is cool. Yeah, that was it.
That was it. I drove 2,000 miles for that.